Yeah, you're one of those nice friendly kitties, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let me get you set up. Let me just get set up for you. A couple flat rocks in here. Help keep things under control. I don't really know. I didn't check the wind speeds, but it feels like it's gusting 25. Maybe more. Alright, maybe went through. Let's see. Bag is dropping. Swap out the 10 ounce for 12 ounce. So get a better drop once I pull this bag back in towards the tree. Blind setting in white pines is usually pretty challenging as it is without the wind. Hey Willie! Hey Willie! Ta-da! Hey buddy! Hey, you wanna come down? You wanna come down? Come here. Come here, buddy. Hello. Hey, kitty. Hi. Hey, buddy. You want to come down? Big tree and its trunk is flexing. Oh yeah. Hey kitty. Hi. Hello. You want to come down? Yeah. Come here. Hi buddy. See what we can do for you here. Yeah, you're one of those nice friendly kitties, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let me get you set up. Let me just get set up for you. Come here. One sec, let me just get set up. What a good boy. house is off. Hey! Yeah, you're coming with me. Hey, buddy. Hold up. Just go get you set up so we can get you down safely. Come here. Yeah. Got a nice little place for you to go. Hey, buddy. Good. Keep going. That's it. Keep going, you stay. Yes, hurry, we got you, babe. Gotcha! There we go. Oh, yeah. Boy, nice to get an agreeable kitty for once. Oh boy. Get this guy on the ground. Yeah, we're up pretty high, eh? This is good 70-ish. Yeah, for cat rescues. I've got cats out like 100%. More often lower. We got him. He's the easiest cat I've had in a while. I love it. I've had some serious 3-day cat rescues. This guy was awesome. What a good boy. We love the good cats. I mean, all cats are good, but some are gooder than others, as you say. I put my earmuffs down so the wind won't psych me out. Because when you're up there and that blows, whoa. Alright. So let's just carry him. Is it okay if we carry him back to the house? Yeah. Carry him? Okay, good. But he was really chill. He just came to me. He was all, purry.
I want to get down.
Yeah, he's like, finally, where have you been? And then, ta-da, just open the door. And let this boy out.
Yes. Harvey missed me.
He's like, which way out? Come here, buddy. He's like, no, it's safe in here.
Look at your food.
Oh, look at that, right to the front, right?
Harvey.
All right.